Hi guys.
What's up, YouTube?
This is our first vlog ever for our new channel. We had no channel, but we're making a new one. So, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna do some shopping in Orlando.
Yeah, there's a new coffee food truck in Orlando that we want to go try out, and we're gonna take you guys, and we're gonna try some coffee. Okay. We're out here. Catalinascoffee Bar.
I was telling my wife we found you guys like
Hi.
3 days ago on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
The menu. What you getting, babe?
Chicken quesadilla.
Basic. No, I'm just kidding.
My stomach hurts.
I think I'm gonna get definitely an iced latte because it's hot.
I'm gonna do a chicken.
You want something to drink?
I think I'm just gonna see.
Let's get a water. And
Yeah,
I'll get...
I'll just do a water with that. It's hot.
What do you want?
Yum.
They hooked it up.
Yo, we gotta show them all that we got.
So I got a water.
And I got a white chocolate latte made with almond milk. Let's give it a taste. Oh my god.
So they hooked us up and gave us these French toast sticks.
They're waffle sticks.
Waffle sticks for free.
Waffle on a stick. 2 of them too.
Oh, let's get it better.
Oh wait,
Yeah, that looks bomb.
keep it like that, yeah. Yes, they hooked it up. Super, super nice, genuine people, for sure. But let's take a bite of this real quick.
Bro, what the?
And then I got, oh, show them what you got, babe. He got a chicken quesadilla. And I got a guava and cheese pastry.
Oh my god, so good.
Let me try. Mmm. Exactly how you like it too. Not all that extra junk in it. Simple. And then I got a guava and cheese pastry. They look really bomb. And then
Your coffee?
to eat for me, yeah, I tried it for them. And then I got a veggie croissant. I'm not too hungry, so this is perfect. Veggie croissant. Yeah, let's take a bite. You're what?
So I'm feeling a little sick, so don't mind me if I'm not like, oh my god, it's so good. I'm just trying to eat. That gave me more life though.
What you got, the Rona?
I hope not.
He don't have the Rona. We went and got him tested. He's negative. So I must be negative too. I feel fine. This is good coffee. I give Catalinascoffee Bar 5 out of 5.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We it's right on OBT on
We'll put their Instagram in the description.
yeah, for sure.
Check it out.
If any one of you live in Orlando and you want to come check it out.
Right by O'Reilly's on OBT.
I'm gonna go in on this guava cheese pastry. Here, drink some more water. You need to stay hydrated.
To the mall or the outlets? We'll see. We'll keep you posted.
You want to take me shopping, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, baby, you about to kill me, baby. You know that video with the fries? He got in the back seat and the guy's driving and the fries go everywhere? That's how I feel right now when you're driving.
Babe, I'm in a rush.
We trying to get the pat, if you know what I'm saying. You look so handsome today, baby.
Thank you. You look beautiful.
Damn, boy.
Me and just free too. And just free too.
We out here.
We out here at the outlets. Boom. No biggie.
Hey, okay, I see you. Wait, you got a crease?
Nah.
No crease beans? Hey, you lit. We gotta be each other's hype man, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's how we do. Okay, let's cut it through the grass right here.
It's so f***ing hot in Florida. Mm.
It smells like hairspray.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So what kind did we get, baby?
Show them what we got.
Thank you.
Jimmy Choo, man.
Jimmy Choo Man. He's had that one before. And then I tried the Giorgio Armani. It smells so good. Thank you, Papa. So, it's literally so hot, you guys. And Edwin's feeling a little sick today. So, and we really just wanted to come and try out that coffee bar.
So
And
we
just-
made an extra stop, made it worth it.